We got to record. One lesson about live streaming tutorials, you got to record. Optimize a process with AI. I'm going to show you a real world example today of how to do it for Iron Forge Commercial Repair in Sedalia, Colorado. They're a commercial repair shop, but we want to bolt on some swag to their website, create just a separate income stream for their company, and then I'm going to show you how to optimize the product listings, social media posts, and everything you need to do to accomplish promoting that product and marketing it using BizRise.io. So let's into it. The plan today, what do we got? Since we ended that previous stream, we have, I'm going to put this in the chat. We have, go to Wix, and then we're going to go drop shipping with Printful. Okay. Boom. All right, so let's go check this out. This is Iron Forge Commercial Repair. Let's check out their website and see what we're looking at. So again, awesome place in Sedalia, Colorado. One thing we were talking about is we need to get some snowplow like maintenance and prep up. I know it is like September's coming up, but it is Colorado. You gotta start prepping those snowplows. You can get snow whenever, so get them ready to go for the winter season. That's something we've been kind of getting calls for. And then the other thing is we want to put up some hats and some swag on their website. Printful has some Under Armour hoodies that we want to get up there as well. So we're going to slap that on. So in order to do that, what we got to do is go to wix.com. Okay, and we're going to take notes in the AI factory so we can go. So I can teach you guys how to do this. Get out of here. We got to go drop shipping website. We got to go label it. Step 1, drop shipping websites. Wix.com and Printful. Okay. Wix.com. And the next step we got to do is turn on some music. So let's go to YouTube. YouTube.com. So this should be only on my stream and not your stream. Good thing about doing it with Streamlabs desktop is you can set up your audio sources. So hopefully this is just jamming to me. And if not, you're going to get some Skrillex while you see a tutorial, but that'll be all right because you should anyway. Let's get it going. All right. Still using YouTube free. What up? All right, we'll go work. So, Wix.com, let's get logged in and see what we got here for Iron Forge Commercial Repair. All right. Now we got to go to that live screen and let's get it going. So we got it set up in, let's get a recap of what we got going on. We're going to create a drop shipping website or just a swag bolt-on for Iron Forge Commercial Repair in Sedalia, Colorado. And what we're going to do is we're also going to change our website a little bit to prep some stuff for snowplow season. We want to tell people, hey, we're getting some parts in. If you need to prep your snowplows for the winter, be ready to go. It is still August, but it's the end of August in Colorado. Prep your snowplows. You never know. It's Colorado. You get it. Okay, but we're going to do that with Printful. They also have some pretty cool Under Armour hoodies we want to put on the website. So let's get that going. We're going to go over to Wix.com. This is step 1. And we're going to come up here to all sites. We want to go to, is it not on this one? We are going to go over to our other Wix website account. Don't auto log me in Google. This was our first Wix website account when we started tinkering with dropshipping. It's a good, easy introduction way for people to get started with some e-commerce. They've made it so readily available to everyone to just get rolling. So this is something I definitely recommend to people that are new to doing some e-commerce stuff, but this is how you can optimize the process with AI as well. So let's go get Iron Forge Commercial Repair. And again, check them out if you're from South Denver, if you're in that area, Castle Rock, Sedalia, Littleton, Highlands Ranch. These guys are unbelievable. So let's go check them out. And what we're going to want to do is come down here into apps. When we get to the dashboard, we're going to go to manage apps. And let's get more apps right here. I'm probably good. Yeah, app market. Go to the app market. And we're going to type in Printful right here. And it is free to install Wix stores. All right, so let's go back to the home. We gotta add Wix stores. Is that in here? Yes, it is. Free to install. Free. And this is how quick you can get this done. Like, you don't need a ton of technical knowledge to just add some swag to your current business website. You can get it done in a hurry. Live streaming. Because that's the easier way to do tutorials. I don't have enough time to edit videos. There's no point. Plus, you get everything you need out of live streaming. All of it. You just have to not give a shit. That's just the key. You just have to not give a fuck. You just gotta send it. Yes, you are, State Farm. Alright, what should we do? Let's go. Yeah, we gotta go. Here we go. Get a little Motley Crew going while we get into that Wix website. Right on. Alright, let's see if we got it. Adding stores. Adding stores. Wix doesn't like to be live streamed a ton. What can we close? Out of you. Come on, Wix stores. If anybody has any questions, now is the time to hit the chat. Now is the time. Ander, what up, dude? I don't know if you're still here, but what up, AJ? You absolute stud. What do we got here? What is this thing? Ooh, what do we got here? That is the new product section we just brought in. Let's go edit those products so we don't have those sitting on. Yikes. We might have to put that on a solid background. That looked a little crazy. We gotta get rid of all of you. Delete all. Get out of here. Okay, cool. But we need to change that page background. We need to get that video out of there. We want to make it just load quickly and go to just a straight black background. A to B. We want to make that landing page right on the money. So this is our category page. So this is just going to be our swag, which is fine right now. We don't have to have anything crazy, but now we got to add some products to it. Let's see what this image is right here. Image products. Now let's go settings. Boom. Settings here. Category page. Ouch. Alright. Design. Let's see, we got image anywhere? Oh. Let's see, how do we get into you? Category page. Design, settings, image, design. Well, let's add a product to it and see what happens. So let's go back into the dashboard. We'll add Printful to it and see what she looks like. A lot of times they update this stuff pretty good anyway, so we're here to create some products. Let's just add one to it. Apps. Let's go back to that app market. It is hot. But you gotta have good lighting, right? Sunshine. Printful. Alright. Add to site for free. Everything we've used so far, for free. Well, I mean, his website is a Wix website, but I mean, that's something most businesses have. Yep, sure. Come hang out. We're gonna use my current account. I have this. We have a Blue Collar Lids website up, so looking for funding on that. If anybody wants to fund that, you let me know. Make sure you drop it in the comments. Make sure and follow us. We got one going. It's called bluecollarlids.com, but you need funding to back the hats. But let's do this. We need to go get a Iron Forge logo. So I believe I have these already built in Canva. Let me bring Canva over here so you guys can see it. We'll do a little Canva tutorial mid hats. You got to do it all anyway. I mean, that's what's good about live stream as well. Like, this is the process you have to do. It's not like you're going to be doing all Wix. You got to go here, you got to go there. So check out what we got. Check out BizRaz.io. Here's some Iron Forge logos right here. We got to come up with a different one too, because some of these logos, like when you're doing them online, right? Let's see what these look like. When you're doing logos for print and clothes, you gotta have them simple, right? It can't be like anything complicated. So you gotta do basic designs, like their website design, their website logo. This is what that looks like. Looks great online, but impossible to put on a hat. So we gotta take a look at what we can do there, see if we can kind of simplify it. If there's any designers seeing this, you make sure and let me know. You create a logo, send it to me. Iron Forge, here's a couple we got as well. Yeah, the chat. So, add another Iron Forge logo here. And what we're gonna do is, since I'm bad at design, we're gonna go create a design. We're gonna search for logo templates. Yeah. We're gonna go logo. Let's go mechanic logo. Mechanic logo. Ooh, that looks cool. But again, it's got to be on a hat, right? So simple. That's gonna look probably decent on a hat. Let's make it bigger. Let's get everything together. Boom. And we're gonna go expand everything. Big as we can for, I mean, we're gonna have a transparent background, right? It's just gonna be basically 2 colors, but we want to get it as big as we can for the program. So let's get rid of this, or we can go make this bigger. And then what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna need a simple, just like clean font. So let's go commercial repair that fits in the space. But we want to maximize it, get our space as much as we can, because this is going to be a transparent background. Maximize that space out. Let's go. Use this. I mean, it just looks good on hats, right? Like, you just need something that looks clean on a hat. Easy to read, spaced out, so you can see it. That looks pretty cool, though. So let's see what that looks like. Iron board. I mean, that looks pretty cool, though. And this is gonna have to be like a gray. See if we can get a gold in there. He likes gold, but his Printful doesn't have that gold. But he likes the black and gray, so maybe something like that. Let's go at gray as well. Let's get it to match. All right, cool. Now let's see what we can do there and see how that looks on a hat. That'll work. We got to get that transparent background, so let's go like that. Cool. Download has started. Let's get rid of Canva. And we got to get back our Printful website. So let's go into add a product for 50. And I have a lot of these products built for Ironforge, but we're going to add that one we just created for a new hat. You know what? We got to go into stores, don't we? Go into stores. Log in again. Stores. Let's go Ironforge repair. All right. Nothing here yet. We got to add that products. So I'll just have to add that other store stuff to his website, but that's all right. Good demo. So let's go hats. Trucker hats, maybe? Trucker hats, or okay, here we go. 5-panel trucker. U-pong, U-poong. Something like that. And we got to upload that design. So let's get that transparent PNG we just got from Canva. Meanwhile, we got to change our song here. So we got to go to our next song. Okay. We'll just let YouTube take care of that. And let's add that Ironforge commercial repair logo in there. I want some 3D puff. I want it to stick out. And this navy's got to be that gray. That looks pretty dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to have it clean on a hat. Let me emphasize you. There. Ooh, that looks pretty slick. See, I mean, even the most clean font, Arial, that E is kind of like, all right, that's looking a little close. That's why you got to have it in like a spaced out font. Let's see if we can do a little better on that, just to make sure we get it right for a while. Will, he's an awesome dude. Again, make sure you check out Ironforge Commercial Repair in Sedalia, Colorado. We got to go space these out a little bit. And let's make it a little bit smaller as far as the spacing goes. Just, we got to get it in one line. See if we can space out those letters just a little bit more to fit that whole box. That way we can get as much spacing in there. And that actually looks pretty dang good on a hat. So let's download that one more time. Transparent. Get it. Okay, let's get that other window back up. And let's go back. And what you got to do, make sure when you're doing one that's going to production as far as uploading a logo, you rename it something unique, because if it's like PNG4, you get charged each time PNG4 has a new digitization of the file. Can't say that word. But just rename every image you upload for an e-commerce website something unique. Iron, it'll save you some headache and some money. Ironforge. New logo. Okay, PNG. We're gonna open that, and we're doing good on time. We got about 30 minutes. That should be plenty of time to show you how to optimize this in BizRise.io as well. And do this in an hour, roughly. Start an e-commerce site, get a new logo up there, make some cool hats, and then optimize the process with BizRise.io. All right, let's see how we look there. See how those letters look a little bit better? They're not as tight in on there. Now that looks dirty. See, if we change this to that yellow, like that's gonna look a little, I mean, unless he wants that gold, which I'll show it to him, but this looks a little aggressive. We need some like CU gold up in there. But if we go, I mean, the white looks good. It looks clean. Put that on the gray, people can see it. We want that 3D puff in there. That looks dirty. All right, so let's continue. And we're gonna do basic mock-ups, just easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now let's go front. We're gonna take out the back, left, and right. We just want the features. And we're gonna go PNGs so we can have that transparent background, which we can use for posting about these later. So we'll continue here. And what we gotta do, okay? Now we're at the point where we can take this and I'll show you how to optimize a process with BizRise.io. This is how you make AI effective. Like, you have to be able to use it to boost your income, to promote your products, right? So let's go over to BizRise.io and we'll get this started for Ironforge commercial repair. We'll just register an account. You know, we'll do it with my account because I have access to all the features. So I'll just go in and create a new product for Ironforge commercial repair. But this is BizRise.io. I don't know if I'm logged in. We'll see here. E-commerce. Okay, so here's how I would make sure you guys can see this on the streams. And I'm not sitting in the way of anything. And you can hear me. Alright, good. Alright. And we gotta change the song. What do we even got going on here? Cool, give me some Nickelback mix, baby. Yeah, Wix Studio, we're using you right now. Actually, I think we're using traditional Wix, but that's okay. Reach. Well, what we got on the next one? Oh, you betcha. A little old school. Hang on here. Don't mess with it, just let it play. Cool. Let's go back to it. So now, in order to make it effective, like what the goal is, right, is we're adding a dropshipping website to Ironforge commercial repair. How do we optimize this part? Like the title, the description, you know, we got to make this a little bit snappier. So in BizRise.io, when you become a pro member, what also is coming, so this is kind of the first announcement of it, but for the beta test users, there's going to be an affiliate program, which means you can sell this as well. And I'm not 100% sure on the commission rates yet, but the initial users, so I think it'll be like the first 100 people in my school community. So I'll go to the homepage of it, but the first 100 people in here for free will have first dibs on the trusted tester program for the affiliate network. That'll be coming out tonight, and we'll see how that goes. All right. So what we got to do for Wild Will, we got to get that product listed. We got to get a title, a description, add benefits, and then we got to create a post about it, right? So we'll come over here to BizRise.io and click on the add a new product. We're going to upload that product photo, the new logo here, and it's going to come in transparent, but hey, your logo's there. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's go. Iron Forge steel hat. Okay, and we're gonna go hat, and the brand is, what was that? I believe it was U6006. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And we're gonna list it for $29.99. What I tell people is when you're listing products on e-commerce shop, whatever that initial cost you see is, make sure you're listing for at least double. At least that, because if not, you're not going to have any room for sales. You're not going to have any room for all the fees that are coming your way. You're going to list it about double. All right. So that's just kind of standard to get started. And then you can kind of detail it in there from there. But colors will go black and gray. Oh, we got black, gray, white. And it is a men's hat, freestyle. So this hat, this Iron Forge commercial repair hat is for the ones with hands of steel, built with tradition, strength, and confidence. get your iron forge steel hat today. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to create that ecom product, and it's going to generate some stuff for us to kind of optimize this process. We'll click on create ecom product, and we have it created, so it's going to be on your dashboard there. Now we're going to click into it, and let's go into product listings. Okay, now what we're going to do when you come here is there's going to be a list of your products. I'm going to need to get that duplicate out of there, but let's go into the steel hats, product listings, and we'll go into the ecom listing generator. Now what I'm going to want to do is I want to go traditional and nostalgic on the tone for my post. So I'm going to grab that hat, my product I just created, and drop it into that section. Now what's going on here is the information about the product is going to Gemini. It's going to put together that title, subscription. So you're ready to rock and roll for your e-commerce website. You can review it. And it's going to have a meta description as well. Some websites have that, but you might as well just have it and not need it than need it and not have it, right? So save that product listing, and we're going to copy that title over here to our hat. Oops, hang on. So this is the title. I need to label that meta description as well. We're going to copy that, come back here. Boom, you're in. We need to get the description. Take you, label those boxes as well. Okay, so we can do that, paste it in, get rid of those stars. I've been asking it no special characters, but hey, can't win them all sometimes. All right, features, get that out of there. Boom, boom. We'll get rid of you too. I don't want any of those special characters. I want regular text. The Google machine just likes simple text. If you want a machine to learn, give it simple text. Add benefits. And I don't know if we have any categories yet, so we'll create those in the website after. Click continue. Now this is what I'm saying with set your price to double, then you're going to have some room, okay? For sales, for promotions, for discounts, but at least double. There's a lot of fees in there that you got to be aware of, so set that there. Okay, so we're $32.99. That is not your estimated earnings. That's the start of your estimated earnings. Now you got to think about shipping. You got to think about fees. You got to think about payment processing. So those are going to all be fees that you get tagged with down the road. So you just want to make sure you're aware of those going into it. And I'll list those as we go. And let's see. It is hot. So what we got to do from there is go check out. Well, it is syncing to our website right now. So let's go check it out. View in Wix. Boom. Let's go see what we got here. Okay, fine. We'll go over here into our site. Go back into the dashboard. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Whoa. Whoa. A little smaller. Bam. All right. Come on. Where's the dashboard? I believe we can get out of this now. And let's check out what we got. So we got all our stuff here. We're good to go. We got to save that listing. Now, if you go into that same product again, you're going to have that Iron Forge steel hat there. So you can always copy your information if you need it again. And your product's right there. So if we need a social post, that's the one we just did, right? And then we need to get, I'll show you the product listing as well. That's really what this was for. Ecom Gen. And, well, I guess that was the product listing. Let's go to the social post. Come on. Generator social post. There, Jago. Ecom Gen. We're going to go strong and engaging and drop it in. So that's going to spin up using some Gemini right now. Let's go back into our catalog and we're going to check out store products. Store products. Wow, well. Iron Forge Commercial Repair, Sedalia, Colorado. Okay, let's check it out. It is in stock. All right. Now, there is not all of my colors that I want in there. So let's go back into our apps. We're going to add some more hats to that Printful product. Open. We got about 15 minutes, so we got to get on a FaceTime call. So I hope you're enjoying this live tutorial. There will be more later. So let's go into stores. Iron Forge. They are such good dudes, I'm telling you. If you are South Denver and you need anything fixed that has wheels, you call them. Variants. Add variants. Gotta add a black hat and a gray hat. Products. So we gotta add you, and we gotta add. Ooh, I don't know about navy. Yeah, why not? This looks like. That would be cool with a black logo. So with that. Alright, so those are all gonna look good with a black logo. But those are gonna be our go-tos for now. Cool. Now how do we save it? Alright, cool. Next. We'll get it. Mock-ups. Gotta move the process down the line there, bud. Alright, come on. Good to go? Wonder if I get out of full screen. No? Maybe if we just sometimes you gotta do it with the logo if you just switch the logo in and out. Kind of restart the process. But I gotta make the right hats the first time anyway. Buff. Gray. Bigger. Okay. Why can I not select anything? Alright. So we're good, right? We're good. Mockup. Come on. Well, this isn't good. Let's just do a whole new product. Man, maybe. We'll get it figured out one way or the other. Maybe not. 12 minutes. Come on, baby. We also gotta see what our ecom drop social did on BizRise.io, but we gotta get this hat up. Snapbacks. We go trucker hats last time? Snapbacks. There's our lid. Let's go. And we're gonna add that Iron Forge logo. We don't want navy, we want the gray. Big, big. Big as we can get it. Cool. Now let's go. And we got that set up now. Cool. Go continue. Basic mockups. Let's go back, left, right, out. PNG. Continue. Now we got our stuff we need again. Let's go back to BizRise.io. Here's what we got for the social post. Title, script, description, keywords, hashtags, tweet. We'll save you for later. And we need to go into our product listing from the Iron Forge steel hat. Let's get that title. And we're going to paste it in here. Boom. Okay. What did I copy here? Just having user error there. Let's get this description. Copy you well. Okay, let's paste you in. Good song. Get these stars out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. And you get out of here. Oh, you get out of here. You go. Benefits. Manufacturing. Cool. Dog Cookie got a hula hoop. Listed double. Listed double at least. Okay. Submit to store. Now that's going to update to our Wix website. And let's go check it out over here. We'll give it a second. But usually it comes in pretty quick. And hit refresh. Takes a little bit to get in there, but it will eventually. Come on, baby. There she is. Let's check it out. And we have our variants in there. So we have the different colors. Life is good. Let's see what we got here. Dang, those are slick. I think Wild Will's going to like those. That's slick. Okay, we're going to create a category. Let's go Iron Forge. And let's go new in. We're going to add those. Okay, so they are in there. Good to go. Fulfilled brand. Let's go. Gotta add that in. You boom. 6006. Add it in. And price is good. Okay, so we're good to go there. Let's click save. Okay. That's okay, but we need to have that in anyway. We gotta figure out how you gotta have backing for your products. So I'll talk to Wild Will about that. We'll see what he says. But now let's go to site and mobile app. Let's go check out the website. Let's slap it on the front page, front and center. Edit site. You out of here. Get you out of here. And let's get back into it and see where we're at. We got that website loading. It's gonna take a minute. Gotta get that little button out of there too. Okay, let's change that page background. We want to load it loading quicker, so there's a movie behind it, but I'm just gonna take it and put it straight to a black color right here. Easy money. Okay, we're just gonna clean that look up, and what we gotta do, zoom out a little bit. So we're gonna have to add a section in here, and live stream. Just I gotta do these maybe just to one platform. We'll see how it turns out. We're doing multi-stream to Twitch and TikTok, so we'll see how this turns out. Last night we did videos just recording, no live stream, but live stream you can just get it done, and it's not gonna go perfect, but you know what? You get it done quickly, right? And you gotta go products. Let's see where we products store best sellers. We just gotta go because we only have one product right now. So let's do that single one. Let's see what we got here. Manage products. And I think we just gotta add the hat to it. We'll center it up. Life is good. Yeah, that's not it. Settings. Gotta add a category to it. Let's see. Yes. All the time. Yes. Go to product page. Okay. View details, layout, looks good, design. I mean, let's just take a look. A lot of times if you're like, I'm not a big design guy, just keep it simple, right? Like, let the website do its thing. All right, looks good. Now let's check it in. Centered here. See what I'm saying? Like, I don't even pay attention to if it's centered. Shrink that size up. Let's check what it looks like on the mobile side, and then we'll get it published. We can check out the AI generated social script we have for it. Gonna change that mobile background as well. So even if you just change that desktop background for all your pages, you still have to do it to the mobile pages. Apply to all other pages. Yes. Please let me get to the bottom. Come on, Wix. You did this last time. All right. Hopefully that worked. But you see how we got to check it in that mobile view too. So give it a little bit more room. Make sure you can fit that whole thing in the widget, and life is good. We're gonna have to make it much bigger. And we're probably not gonna have this sitting first. Like, this is probably gonna be sitting below. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what that looks like. Well, we're gonna have to change that image, how that image looks. Or at least the settings on it. Let's look at the settings. Here we have here. Setting fit. Change that to fit and see how that looks. That way it can hopefully be a little bit more flexible on the mobile. And then we can publish it. Again, I'm probably gonna have to switch. Yeah, alright, that looks much better. So let's put this section above it. Cool. Looking good there. And let's do that again on the desktop. You gotta make sure they're the same. They don't just seamlessly. There's little tweaks you gotta make. Let's raise you up. Okay, and then we're gonna add another section for snow plow maintenance. And I think they have some pretty cool pictures of snow plows, so I'm going to throw that probably. Because as weird as that sounds, it is August, almost September, but in Colorado, you got to start prepping snow plows in September. Probably even now. That's why we're doing it. Show more of these images. So we got here. Now we got some snow plow in here somewhere. Hopefully. We used to. I know I do for. Let's do this. Let's make some cool ones while we're doing this. While we're doing a little tutorial, we might as well use some AI, right? Go use some Leonardo AI and see what we got here. Sure, let's go. Okay. Give it an old. Let's make a cool picture for the website. Let's see what it does. Okay. Walk through. Thank you. Finish. So check this out. This is a really cool, easy way to do it. So let's say realistic, strong, and powerful image of snow plows clearing a storm in the Rocky Mountains. That John Denver's full of shit, man. Alright, let's generate some pictures, and we're going to improve this prompt. We're just going to let AI do the work and optimize the process. Look at that. Love it. Robust. Aggressively battle through a blizzard. Yeah, that's going to give me a much better picture, so we'll just generate that shit. And we'll see how this turns out, so we can have a little section for our Iron Forge commercial repair, baby. What the fuck do we have here? This is probably gonna take forever on a live stream, but we'll get this uploaded and then I gotta shut her down to go to a FaceTime call. But then I'll be back live streaming, showing my school community. Oh yeah, baby. So what do we want to do here? Let's go Slick Blades. I kind of like that one. Sure. See what old Wild Will thinks. Let's get all, you know what? Let's just get them. Why not? And then we're going to do this too. We're going to add a little more to it. Let's see. Tire chains with big, aggressive tires. And let's go powerful winter action scene. And let's see what that gives us. Let's go something out of a cinematic movie. So this might give us a little bit of an action photo. That way we can have just, hey, time to prep your snowplows. Life is good. Life is good. Then we can get that uploaded to Wild Will's website. We have an e-commerce product. We have snowplow prep listed in a little bit more than an hour. And we can optimize that process with drag and drop AI. Just here's your title, your listing, your social post. Now all you gotta go do is execute it, right? Ooh, I like those. Well, you're not holding on plows by just chains there, partner, but you know, it's an AI gen image. Life is good. Go check it out. Gonna add some elements. Well, let's just get the section set up for it. Let's get a pre-made section. I'm not a designer, right? Let's just add a section how it's supposed to be. Fill the information in. Features, maybe. Oh, you know what? That welcome had a good one. Here we go. Just straightforward. Boom. Simple, clear, ready to roll. Okay, now let's upload a photo to it. Change that background. Image. Upload from computer. Loading. Still loading. Let's see the icon so we can grab one. Go this one. Iron Forge Plows. Open. We'll see what Wild Will thinks of these. I gotta call him right after this, so we will see what the review is immediately after this tonight. Change that background. Oh, come on now. Not the background. My bad. Straight color. Boom, boom. Change the whole section background. Oh, you just gotta keep clicking until you find the right one. Boom. Okay. Now we gotta get the strip background. So 2. Change that background. Image. We'll get her. We'll get her. Save files. Wow. Boom. Look at that. So we will put snow plows ready for winter. Space it out a little bit. We have parts. We'll get you ready to roll. Alright, let's get that centered. Okay, it looks pretty good. And we gotta link that to the contact us form. Go here. Booking form, maybe? See what our form is there. Let's just save this for now, but let's see what the form is. We have a different one going to it, the contact us form. So we'll just see where that form's going real quick. Request a quote. Where are you going? Button. Lightbox. Request a quote. Okay. Same place. We'll go. Link it. Lightbox. Request a quote. Boom. Settings. That to contact us. Okay. And we got to change that style a little bit. Just give it some rounded corners. And we should be ready to go. We have an e-commerce website or product listed. We have snowplows up and rolling. Them all at once. Yeah. Okay, so now we have... come on, button. So we're getting her done. We're getting her done. Corners. Now, if you're in the AI Factory, my community, this is why it's fun to do it live. If you guys join me, and then we can ask questions, we can interact. That's the whole point of doing it live. You guys need to join me in that community, all right? So we're launching the web app. We're going all out tonight. We're going all out, baby. Balls to the wall. Cool. Hover. Looks good. Now, down. You go. Move you up. Make sure that looks good on the mobile site, and then we'll publish it. We gotta get to a FaceTime call. Hi, Cookie. Snowplows ready for winter. Bam. That hat does look sweet. I bet Will and Preston are gonna like that. I hope they do, man. That is badass. Alright, cool. Publish it. And that we got done, right? So we have done essentially in about an hour 15, we did add a dropshipping site to a current business's website, how to add a section about snowplows, list that e-commerce product, and we've created, let's just go back to our dashboard and check it out for e-commerce. So we've made that hat, we listed it on our website. We've also created specific social posts, the title, script, description, keywords, a tweet or an X post, and a blog post about that. Optimize the process with AI. And we've also created the specific product title, product description for the listing, and a meta description for that product in an hour and 15 minutes. So that's what I mean about AI optimizing a process. The next tutorial that I'm doing later tonight will be how to take the AI generated plan we did last night and turn that into AI assistance for your community. So I wanted to get this done for Wild Will. He's going camping. I gotta call him, see what he thinks. So let's go check out Iron Forge and just make sure that listed right. And if you guys saw this, thanks for joining me. Hells bells, baby. Hope you like the Leonardo AI. It's a fun little image generator to optimize what you're doing. So there's the site, services, snowplows ready for winter. Looks good. There's the new hat. Boom. Let's go. Cool. So optimize the process, right? And I will upload this video to probably this dropshipping course. I will put it in right here. This is going to be available in the school community. To get started for free, there's going to be some free courses in there, really how to start doing this. And analytics is free. And then I'll do one of these create an agents, Vertex AI, with our factory plan that you get for free, and how to turn that into an agent. I'll do one of those for free as well, so you can get started there. Make sure you join the community, and if you want to use all of the features, subscribe to BizRise.io. The first 100 people in my community will also become the membership. Yes, sir. What up, Jordan? We'll get the first offers on my affiliate program, so you can be tested trusters for BizRise.io, and then you can make money selling it as well. So the price is going to be introduction for the first 100 members. I was going to do just a $99 a month free trial, or like a $99 a month trial. Regularly, it's either going to be $3.99 a month or $5.99 a month, but it's going to optimize your marketing for e-commerce, your product listing. It does the same thing, the prospector, as a drag and drop to contact prospects, which we'll get into those tonight. But I gotta call Wild Will. I love you, and I will see you in a little bit. Make sure and follow all the channels. Join the community. It is free to join right now. First 100 members, free. And then you will get a discount code to the affiliate program when I get it set up. And then there's also a 14-day free trial for you to sign up and try out school. Here's the about page. Need to edit that though, because that is, gotta have that free trial in there. Show you how to do that as well. Communities, and when I'm doing live streaming, I open this up to free, and that way people can just join it. This is an affiliate link. It is a 14-day free trial. Put you in here. We'll go 14-day. Cool. Go right click this. I'll link that there, but we'll just go like this. Link below. Okay, cool. So that is going to be free for the first 100 members. And what we'll do is we'll show you the same process these communities are using to grow and scale online businesses. And what I did is I mapped that process out in AI. That way you can get a free plan. Here it is. Make sure go to BizRise.io and try that community assist. I'm going to show you how to set up your school community for success to monetize it. What it means is basically just optimize the process. I'm going to teach you how to do that. make sure you go to the AI Factory and join it. Link in bio, and I will check out Wild Will and see if he likes this. But I'm going to end this stream and get it up to recording. Check it out. Make sure you join the School Academy.